Jehovah Witness need to were Muslim na wawoba na abofro no wanyin wabe a Catholic priest SCA Chrome had is a draw na asomdwe in ibu as a fan respect azibia or Ghana had papa nti am wakwaba zaba Ghana za mama Kensho de Adom online one stories no hey Adom online for say ageda samensi ti ehwe hade na Adom online stories entertainment in the mebu at one and some is the bebre wo honom ti say ekwa Adom online na ware butum na akwakobo wonyo ho akohoma wo honom na ndeda Nsoromma okodo Nsoromma Yarishe papa na on shada on your good news baby because eviction be called na mo from be orisunaze wanyim pa na wo evicting na lewen so but my friends no na orisu nti me yankon share highlight of Nsoromma okodo ndeda
Nsoromma Abrantie. Eti pacho mufa Abrantie. Acha de no manu na fe. Yento aso. Okay. That's nice. Bonsem. Watch it. And unfortunately, anad na FI competition emu. E pacho mo man why are dey easy. Yeah, audition the whole country. Baby yakọ.
Abrantie most mo oyi mo family film no ye hu pa o. Abrantie o kind of simple. Wo baba ho do no na wa bonyi poruko fie no na ehwe na Abrantie okada na okada nso na obi afim anad na ofim ndeda ma mo fa reaction in free Facebook ndeda nsamana nkofo waraka fa anad ne eviction ho ohene ba set or say she has done well. It is just a competition, and whatever the case may be, someone will be evicted. Mary from Poma says she is not even worried I went to the show today, so you guys don't be sad. But still, she is the winner. So, dear, please don't feel so sad. Me pay them comment papa because from no de ma woti biara no wo fima na afei na Jenny no wa start zam one afei na wo kɔ no akɔ na enyim na under Abrantie na oje the best performance say ehwa Abrantie na ho fama na ye no usiri kwei oda to do na hey young daddy lumba mo from me and that not way too much. My mom fat comments across who in free honum. Clara Ampomasi, I really love his performance. He is my favorite. Devina, or say my favorite dato. Na or worry. So Abrantie is my favorite. Na cheche there Abrantie no. Or yen kofu bebre one favorites. Na muntu aman samudo. Muntu aman samuda. Yaw back so pacho. Make obi samoboa. Yaw back so pacho. I say I remorsefully apologize to my godfather, Kewa. Please accept my humble apology. New year, new look, new character, new life. God bless the new me. Yaubek. Yaubek so pacho. Na obiri bisa. De yaubek abedin to oripa Kewa cho. Ma catch say to pekra yaubek oripa Kewa cho.
What town kana? Menko choki o munchen kakra no kra o hwehwe baby a boys ni na ebitimi akampo ye baby kakra bi kra ye mpe ahin bia ya hustlers e baby e di etibetu kakra bi aku but now as a still now to no avail you see but more than so me so I just left the studio. I just left and came home to my auntie Nsoromma. That was when I realized that no, since then I'm me back for you and I didn't even receive like just a single course and now free studio nim no kra. They say what choke we him red oh bro me say bro upon kwa fia che nim na omo che nim na mo ane wo so che ne si achi say no me nko ho in studio setup no table no say na me na ngu so na mada obi e bi fa table no so be ka o fa ho be ka o I've survived it. I'll say like I was on a record label for like 2 years and I released only one song. No artist wants that. And when I came to this new label, I have an EP out, 7 records, 2 videos out. So I'll say it's better from my portfolio or from where I'm reading it from. From me, my good, it's better. Yeah, it's better than the previous one.
Financially, have you gained more being with Inner Heights than when you're with highly spiritual music? I'll be
good. Yeah, because I'll be good. Right now, I eat what I want, wear what I want. Yeah, I'm not under any restriction. As you can see, I have a new diet on like trying to create a new brand and stuff. If it was to be my previous label, they won't allow this, and it restricts you as an artist because sometimes it's like a lifestyle. You know, being an artist is a lifestyle. It should depict you like you should come out and people say, okay, this is an artist. But if you are restricted, it doesn't make you go far. You get it. So I'll say I'm good. Even without me having enough money, I'm fine. Yeah, I choke, Charlie.
Na, Uncle Kewa, wapacho yarazi, msro, right? Msro, because obey the no your locks na, because esha, ya obey we cha locks and normal kakanya maybe on you hono na we chuchegu yazi, and yesho do basan wa ibium. Inti Kewa is a kotosre, and at yarstro, yar pocho, fa ya obex no one. Fachan, but the Mizame away, or so I wish baby yo. Now, what na Feno Sopena was a new year and a new me, but the locks no way to I'm often serious because I knew one part. Now, Matwa Mensamodra Moisha, since when most trolled celebrity Obaya award or Ghana, a rabbi as a most trolled celebrity easily chat one home, most trolled celebrity who make it Moishambra.
I'm the most trolled celebrities, I'm the most talked about, and I just told I'm strong because I know who I am and I don't let those things get to me. It's just part of it. I feel like people talk about you when they say something good to you, so it doesn't get to me. I'm just me, I speak the truth and people just hear the truth. People here to hear the truth, and if you're not popping, they're not going to talk about you. So I guess I'm popping. So yeah, they will definitely talk about me. It's like the whole of Ghana bullied me and bashed me calling me prostitute, water and water. So that doesn't mean that everybody doing it. I've seen doctors, I've seen lawyers, I've seen politicians, pastors who are getting their body done. Doesn't mean that they're doing it for men or they're prostitutes. No, so they're doing it to feel good about themselves. So you see, that's what I've said. My hate, a lot of things that I've said or come out to say about myself has actually happened. The interview I had with CNN is, people are coming out naturally, talking about it and everything. When it comes to the surgery, as I said, I think it was just hate, and I just did that to look good. Yeah. And I just tried to rise above the hate, and I was just doing me, and now people are getting to know, you understand? Everybody is cosmetics, almost everybody, like a lot of people have got, have had their body done. So, yeah.
But when you look back, do you have any regrets?
No regrets. I think every step in life takes, it's a journey. We learn from our mistakes, we grow. You need to pass through some certain things as a woman to become a better woman and learn from your mistakes.